Well, here's a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible. Looks beautiful, 62,000 miles. It is priced right. Beautiful car. Machined silver on the exterior, ebony interior, ebony convertible top, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $3,395 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes heads-up display, memory package tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, auto-dimming mirrors, compass, universal garage door transmitter, has a power top, OnStar, and Z51 performance handling package. Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation, chrome wheels, HID headlights, dual-zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on the car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this vehicle comes with a clean Carfax and it is loaded with options. And this 06 Corvette Z51 Convertible shows 62,333 miles, and it's in great condition. The car's paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good condition, and factory chrome wheels are very good to excellent condition. And the interior, as you can see, well, not only can you see it here on this video, but if you would like to see more detailed photos and check the pricing on this car, click the link right down below this video. It will take you to all that information. But again, the interior of this Z51 convertible shows good condition factory leather seats, door panels, has average steering wheel and center console. Now, additions to this car include aftermarket headlights, body color exterior door handles, WeatherTech mats, black rear bumper fill-ins, and black emblem overlays. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. This could be the car for you. As we said, it's priced right. Check the information in just click the link right down below this video. And give us a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do hit the notification button, you'll see every new vehicle that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we ship nationwide every week, much less expensive than you might imagine, and we specialize in online purchases, so we make it something you can do with ease, but most importantly with confidence. Remember, we're buyavette.net. Just can't get it out there. I get so excited about these cars. We are buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we hope to hear from you really soon. Give us a call or stop in and see us.